In this tutorial, you'll learn how to animate a crawler crane picking up two steel materials, one after the other, while a long truck transports each material to the crane. Each sequence will be saved as a separate multi-track animation and assigned to the corresponding equipment task. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through 9 key steps. First, create a staging task for the two steel materials. Next, set up 2 equipment tasks for those materials. Animate the long truck delivering the first steel material to the site. Animate the crawler crane lifting the first steel material from the truck. Synchronize the timing between the crawler crane and the truck. Save the animations and convert them into multi-track format. Duplicate the first animation and adjust it to deliver the second steel material. Create a new crawler crane animation for the second steel material. Finally, add the animations to the 2 equipment tasks. Open your project and navigate to the 4D simulation view. First, create a staging task for the 2 steel materials. Add both materials to this staging task and manually adjust their positions in the staging area as needed. Next, in your 4D schedule panel, create 2 equipment tasks and name them Material 1 and Material 2. Then, go to the content library and place the long truck on site. Now, set the schedule dates using the calendar in the 4D schedule panel. Material 1 should be scheduled on September 11th, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Material 2 should be scheduled on September 12th, also from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Your tasks are now staged, named, and scheduled. Step 2. Animate the long truck for Material 1. Select the truck, then click Add. Click Grab Object and select Object 1. Click Move Object and position the object, then click Finish. Click Add again, then move the truck forward to the delivery point. Click Add once more, then click Release Object. In the Drop Location options, choose Custom Drop, then click Finish. Step 3. Animate the crane for Material 1. Select the crane, then click Add. Click Grab Object, then click on Object 1. In the Choose Animation Options window, set Point Grab to On, then click OK. Select the crane's hook, click Add, then lift it to the desired height. Click Add again, then click Release Object. In the Drop Location options, choose Original, then click OK. Click Add one more time and lift the hook to clear the area. Step 4. Sync animation timing. Now, check the grab and release object times of both the crane and truck aligned. Also, make sure their total animation durations are aligned. If needed, adjust keyframe durations so both animations start and end together. First, the truck is moving too quickly. Select the moving keyframe of the truck and extend its duration from 1 second to 2 seconds. Since the crane animation is longer, the truck needs to wait at the delivery point. Add an extra keyframe at the end of the truck animation. Change the duration of node 5 to 5 seconds, bringing the truck's total animation to 10 seconds, now matching the crane. Next, check that the grab and release times align. Currently, the crane grabs the object at 4 seconds, while the truck releases it at the beginning of 4 seconds. The timing is right for truck and crane, that means they are synced. If the crane wants to wait 1 second, insert an additional node for the crane to pick up the object at exactly 5 seconds. Then, extend the final truck keyframe by 1 more second, making its total animation 11 seconds to stay aligned with the crane's adjusted timing. Play through the timeline to verify both animations now start, move, and finish together smoothly. Step 5. Save animations for Material 1. Select the crane, open the Animation Manager, and click Save. Double-click the animation name to change it to M1, then press Enter. Click Convert to Multi-Track, choose Create New, use the default name Crawler Crane Multi-Track Animation 1, then click Confirm. Now select the truck, open the Animation Manager, and click Save. Double-click the animation name to change it to M1, then press Enter. Click Convert to Multi-Track, choose Create New, use the default name Long Truck Multi-Track Animation 2, then click Confirm. You will now see both animations saved in the Multi-Track Animations panel on the left. Since the delivery route for the second steel material is the same, we will duplicate and adjust the truck animation from the first steel material. If the route differs, follow the same steps used to create the first steel material's animation. Step 6. Create animations for Material 2. In the Multi-Track Animations panel, find Long Truck Multi-Track Animation 2. Select the M1 track, then click Clone. Double-click the clone track and rename it to M2. Click Edit to enter the animation. Go to Node 2 where it originally grabbed the first object and click Release Object, then choose Original. Still in Node 2, click Grab Object and select Object 2. Click Move Object and position it, then click Finish. Go to Node 4, click Release Object, choose Custom Drop, then click Finish. Now for the crane. Select the crane, click Add, then grab Object and select Object 2. In the Choose Animation options, set Point Grab to On, then click OK. Select the crane's hook, click Add, and lift it. Click Add again, then Release Object and choose Original, then click OK. Click Add one more time and lift the hook. Check the animation timing again to ensure synchronization. Since we are reusing the same truck animation, no further changes are needed. For synchronization, remember, first, ensure the grab time and release time of the object align between the truck and crane. Second, make sure the total animation duration matches both. You can always insert keyframes and adjust node times to fine-tune the timing. Step 7. Save animations for Material 2. Select the crane, open the Animation Manager, and click Save. Double-click the animation name to change it to M2, then press Enter. Click Convert to Multi-Track, choose Add to Existing, select Crawler Crane Multi-Track Animation 1, then click Confirm. Step 8. Assign animations to equipment tasks. Go to 4D Simulation and find the Structural Foundations equipment tasks that we created in the first step. Hold Shift and select both the crane and truck. Click the Material 1 equipment task, then click Add Equipment Animations to Task. In the Choose Equipment Animations to Add window, check the box for M1 for both the crane and truck, then click OK. Repeat the same process for Material 2, checking the box for M2 for both the crane and truck, then click OK. Step 9. Final Review. Play through the timeline to confirm. Each material is transported and installed in sequence. Truck and crane animations are synchronized for both tasks. All equipment animates smoothly and hides after task completion. You have now successfully animated a dual material transport and installation sequence using Fuzor Advanced Animation Tool Sets, with animations saved as multi-track sequences and assigned to their respective equipment tasks. Thank you for watching.